Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's redefining AI safety. Specifically, how the way we ask AI questions can mean the difference between life and death on construction sites. Let's break this down step by step. Imagine you're a construction worker. You're surrounded by cranes, scaffolding, and heavy machinery. Everything is fast-paced, chaotic, and dangerous. Now picture an AI that can scan the scene and shout, "Hey, that scaffolding is wobbly," or "Watch out for that exposed wire." Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, this study is making that a reality, but here's the twist. The AI's success hinges entirely on how we communicate with it. Let's start with the basics. Researchers tested 3 methods to train AI models to detect hazards. 1. Zero-shot prompting, a simple command like "What hazards do you see?" with no examples or guidance, just the AI's best guess. 2. Few-shot prompting, a bit more structure. Think of it as giving the AI a cheat sheet, showing it a few examples of hazards first. 3. Chain-of-thought COTI prompting. This is where it gets fascinating. Instead of jumping to conclusions, the AI thinks out loud. For example, it might say, "First, I'll check for falling objects. Next, I'll look for unstable structures." It's like having a conversation, walking the AI through the logic of safety checks. Now here's where the science gets really cool. The study used the F1 score, a metric that balances 2 critical factors. Precision, avoiding false alarms like flagging a harmless shadow as a hazard. Recall, catching all real dangers so nothing slips through the cracks. The results? The chain-of-thought method blew the others out of the water. Models like GPT-4.5 and GPT-3 achieved F1 scores over 60%, a massive leap from the 30% plus of zero-shot prompting. Even the weaker models saw their performance triple when given step-by-step guidance. But here's the takeaway. Prompt engineering is the new frontier. It's not just about having smart AI, it's about asking the right questions. Think of it like teaching a student. You could say, "Solve this problem," or walk them through the steps. The latter always works better. So why does this matter? Construction sites are incredibly dangerous. Over 1,000 workers die each year in the US alone, and many hazards go unnoticed. If AI can reliably spot these risks, it could revolutionize safety training, real-time monitoring, and even prevent accidents before they happen. But here's the kicker. The future of AI isn't just about bigger models, it's about smarter interactions. A few well-crafted questions can transform a basic AI into a life-saving tool. Let's dig into the numbers. Researchers tested models like GPT-4.5 and GPT-3 against others like GPT-4.0 and Gemini 2. In a few-shot setup, top models dominated with scores so far ahead, the differences were statistically rock-solid, p-values like 0.0002, effectively ruling out luck. But when they switched to chain-of-thought, COTI prompting, everything changed. COTI works by forcing the AI to think aloud. Instead of a quick answer, it breaks problems into steps, like a human solving a puzzle. This simple shift didn't just boost scores, it equalized performance. Even models that lagged behind, like GPT-4.0, jumped up, almost matching the leaders. Statistically, most models were indistinguishable under COTI. It's like giving every player the same playbook. Suddenly, the game's fairer. So what does this mean for real-world use? Imagine a small construction company using a basic AI tool with smart prompts to spot hazards. No need for expensive systems. Just a few well-crafted questions can make a huge difference. Think of it as a cheat code for AI. Structure your prompts and even weaker models can shine. But here's the catch. AI isn't perfect. Even the best COTI models missed 14% of hazards and sometimes flagged false alarms. That's why these tools should always be decision support aids, not replacements for human experts. A safety pro still needs to double-check AI findings, because in construction, a missed hazard could be catastrophic. The takeaway: how we talk to AI matters. By refining prompts, we're not just improving technology, we're building safer, smarter tools for everyone. Whether you're a small business owner or a safety manager, the future of AI is about how you ask, not just what you ask. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.